He may not be staying here much longer.
Seriously?
Yeah, but if you still want to be friends, I'll still be your friend.
Yeah, of course, but you for real with this?
Yes!
Going home.
Hi.
Hi. Am I enough to say that I missed you like crazy a lot? A lot. Listen, I wasn't in it for Bob Dylan. I was in it for a dog named Dylan.
I don't even care. Who cares? Right off the page.
No, I love it. I love your hair. I love your sign, Lily. I love you.